Photoshop is commonly known as the software program for manipulating images. You can manipulate these images primarily coming up to the Image Adjustments tool. Here you will find many different tools to apply to an image to make it look exactly the way you want it. First, you have the brightness and contrast, which allows you to adjust the amount of light and contrast within an image. By simply moving the sliders, you can change these different variables to get the exact look that you want. Next, we have the Levels tool. The Levels tool is a more exact version of the brightness and contrast tools, in that it is customizable rather than the other two, which are fixed. It is a more complicated tool than the brightness and contrast tool, and is primarily used by experienced Photoshop users. Again, you can easily change what you see by moving the slider. Next, we have the Curves, which is a similar tool to the Levels, but it essentially selects, stretches, and compresses color tones. While the Level tool only adjusts based on the white point, a black point, and midpoint, the Curves tool can use many different other anchor points. Next, you have the Exposure tool, which again works just like the slider tool, in which you can slide the exposure or offset left or right to get the exact look you want. You can also correct the gamma to whatever you want. Next, you have the Vibrance tool, which is a saturation uniformity adjustment which changes all the colors in an image, whereas the Vibrance uses a formula to improve muted colors while largely avoiding improvements to already stronger colors. Next, you have the Hue/Saturation. The Hue Saturation tool allows you to change the base pigment of a color. The saturation adjusts the intensity of that color, making it either deep, richer, or a tint. The brightness determines how much light or dark the resulting color will appear. Again, by just sliding the sliders left or right, you can see what the adjustments will do. Next, you have the Color Balance, which is where you can control how much color is actually being applied between Cyan, Magenta, and Yellow. Again, using the slider tool, you can easily see what these adjustments will create. The Black and White tool works just like you would think. It allows you to make an image black and white. But from there, you can actually choose certain colors from it, or even apply a tint of a color by moving the slider adjustments around. Next, you have the Photo Filter. The Photo Filter tool is used to warm up or cool down the overall colors in the image. The Photo Filter tool is like the filters that photographers use to add to their cameras to add a tint. Lastly, we have the Channel Mixer tool, which allows you to repair bad color channels. It also allows you to further create tinted images and other special effects like producing grayscale images from color. Just like the other tools, we can simply move the sliders left or right to create the exact type of look that we're looking for. The Channel Mixer, like all of the adjustment tools, take time to learn and master. We hope that this video has helped you understand how to adjust images within Photoshop. Thank you.